We've got another package to open today. Hey guys, it's your girl Kylie J here and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited for today's video and I don't think I ever sat down this quickly to record something, but I'm just so excited and I can't wait. So if you guys watched my blood sugar palette review, I think that was not this last video but the one before, by Jeffree Star Cosmetics, I said in that video that I was interested in buying his next palette, the Thirsty palette. Well, that's what we have today. I literally just got this in the mail today. I'm so excited to open it up and use it and see what it is really like. So I decided to buy this next one because the colors are really like out there and different, and without me rambling too much, I like to try and use different colors, like some of the more vibrant colors. However, I've said before that I use more drugstore products and sometimes they're not as pigmented. Well, with Jeffree's stuff, it's very pigmented. And this palette has some really bright colors in it, so I'm hoping that when I open it up and use it today, it's really going to blow me away. So I think we let the anticipation build up quite a bit, so let's get this thing cut open and see what's inside. But as soon as I got this, I wanted to get it, I wanted to open it, I wanted to review it as soon as possible and get a video posted because I unfortunately was not able to do that with the blood sugar palette. So when we open it up, this is what it looks like inside. First thing I noticed, this is packaged very well. Everything is safe and secure. This is one lipstick. See how thick that is? There's no way this thing is breaking. And this is the palette. As usual, he always sends a card and it has whatever the collection is on the back. I keep all of those right here. Okay, so the date was 6/16, so that was me talking about it right now. It was last Saturday, but for you guys it was 2 Saturdays ago. And the ship date was 6/20, and today is, I don't know what today's date is. I'm pretty sure today's the 22nd. So I got this in 6 days, and Jeffree is all the way on the West Coast and I'm all the way on the East Coast. So I think getting something like this, that on the launch date where there's such a high volume of people who are ordering things, I think 6 days for a brand like this is excellent and I don't have any complaints. So the lipstick that I ordered was $18. All of his liquid lipsticks are $18. And the Thirsty palette is $48. It's a little bit less than the blood sugar, but it has a couple less pans in it. And my total came out to $66, plus my shipping came out to $71.95. So let's toss that to the side, and we are going to open the lipstick first. His tissue paper this time has the little melting ice cream cones on it, or ice cream pops. I don't know why I said ice cream cones. They're melting ice cream pops. There's absolutely no way something like this would get broke with all this wrapping, which is awesome because you don't want your things to get broke. So this is the lipstick that I ordered. This one is called Thirst Trap. His packaging, as usual, is nice. And it has like these little raised bubbles on. Like his whole theme for this collection was like summer and thirsty and dripping ice cream and drops and stuff. So this is probably like, oh, what's that stuff called? Like perspiration. Like when you have a water bottle and it gets like wet on the outside. Like that's what this looks like. And it's raised, so it feels really cool. You can just tell that like thought goes into this stuff. I always open them the wrong way. I always tear them open up here when you should open it down here. Ooh. this is what it looks like. With his packaging, you have his name, velour liquid lipstick, all the stars, and his logo. It all looks holographic, and the cap is orange, obviously for his collection. And then on the bottom you have, don't mind my shaking, I'm kind of hungry, so. And the bottom of it you have the name of the lipstick. Let's open up this palette. It's got the same tissue paper, the same orange melting ice pop tissue paper. Here it is. So you have the name of the palette here, and you have more of these little perspiration drops all over it. This is all raised, so it feels really nice. The palette feels nice and heavy. Oh, the box. I gotta open the box. This is the palette. Ooh. Alright. So let's remove this. I love when they come with these plastic covers because if you watch my blood sugar palette review, the mirror did not come with a cover, and a lot of these pans kind of transferred onto the mirror, so I actually have to clean the mirror so it's nice and clear. But this has the plastic on it, which is great. I feel like that just makes it so much more appealing because it's nice and clean. There's nothing on it, and this is what the palette looks like. Alright, so the first thing that I'm drawn to are all of these middle colors here, this whole row, and Jeffree's logo is not imprinted on these, and he said in his launch video he used a different formula to get this different kind of color. So we're going to see what it looks like when I swatch it. I'm really drawn to this one. I just think it looks really pretty and I definitely want to use it. Alright, so I think I kind of have an eye look in mind, and again, like in the blood sugar review. So I'm going to be trying to use all of these colors, not all of them because that's a lot, but I'm going to try to use most of them, and then the ones that I don't use I can always do like a swatch on my arm. And whatever I come up with, I'm also going to pair it with this on the lip, so we will see what I can come up with. I'm going to put a little bit of foundation on and I will be right back. So I have my foundation on and I am ready to start using this palette. Like I said, I am going to try to use all of the colors that I can without it getting too overwhelming, of course. So a lot of times when I watch makeup tutorials, the person doing it already has their one eye done. So that's what I'm going to do so I can kind of figure out what I want to do, and it'll be a little bit easier for me that way, editing wise, instead of me sitting here like, what do I want to use next? So I'm going to do this eye first and I will be right back. Okay, so this is what I came up with and I am really, really impressed. I didn't think I could pull something like this off, but we'll see if I can copy it over here. This is very dramatic and very bold, and I am excited to finish this eye and see how all of it looks together. The first color I'm going to be using is this yellow one, and this is called Quench. Next I'm going to be using this color, and this one is called Taste Buds. Next I'm going to be using this color, and I don't swear on my channel, so excuse me for this, but this one is called Bitch. Next I'm going to be taking this color called Stroke. Now I'm going to take this color called Filthy Rich. I'm going to use some of this color called Lick. And I'm going to take a tiny bit of this color called Divine. Now for my under eye, I'm going to use this color called Drizzle all the way out here, and then in the middle I'm going to use this one called Submerge, And then right in here, I'm going to use this one called Splash. Alright, I think that is all for the palette for now. Now I'm going to clean this up a little bit, and I'm going to do my eyeliner, put on my lashes, and then we will get to the lips. Okay, so my eyes are all done. Now let's test out the lipstick. Alright, so this is what we have, and again, this is called Thirst Trap, and the box says to shake well before use. Alright, let's give it a go. Alright, we're all done! Yay! I'm super happy with how this whole thing turned out. I really did not think I had it in me to accomplish something as dramatic as this. I feel like I'm intermediate at doing makeup. So this obviously took me quite a while to do, quite a while to accomplish. It took a lot of re-going over it and whatnot. But I'm really pleased. I really like it. And I hope that you guys do too. As for the lips, I feel like this color is amazing, and it actually does go really well with my eyes. It's kind of like a nude, but it has like a goldy, silvery shimmer, like metallic look to it. But whatever's going on, I think this whole thing just goes together very nicely. Alright, so my final thoughts for this palette. I did have a little bit of fallout under my eyes, and I had to sweep it away with my powder brush. And as usual, trying to get the colors out of the palette, there was some fallout there as well that I had to blow away. The shimmery colors that I have put in here, they look amazing when they're actually on your eye. However, I felt like it was kind of difficult to pick them up at first and actually put them on. But I'm not sure. If I remember correctly, in Jeffree's launch video, he used his finger to use them. So I'm not sure if using your finger is different than using a brush. I would assume that, you know, you pick up more a lot better with your finger, and then it's easier to put it on. But with trying to get all the way in here, I just wanted to use a brush. So that might have been my issue. It is what it is. All of his colors were very blendable and very creamy, and they went on very nicely, and as usual they are very pigmented. I'm very happy with the palette that I purchased. And the lips, it doesn't even feel like there's anything on my lips, which is pretty much how all of his lipsticks feel like, so obviously I like it as well. Okay, so that pretty much wraps it up for this review video. Now I'm just going to pose for the camera a little bit so you guys can see a bit more up close what this actually looks like. And I will include a couple pictures, and yeah. So to end this video then, I hope that you guys enjoyed it as usual. I hope it was entertaining or helpful or something of the sort. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have anything that you would like to add or say, or any tips or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. All the details for the makeup that I have on today will be down in the description box, as well as my social media, so go ahead and check all that out down below. And finally, don't forget to click that subscribe button if you haven't already. Make sure you become a part of my small little family so you never miss a video with me. This video is extra special since I was able to get it out even though I just uploaded a video. So I really hope you guys enjoyed these 2 back-to-back weeks of videos. And I will see you in 2 more weeks when I upload my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see all of your beautiful faces next time. Bye.